Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a cake ASMR video using AI. So you're going to paste this prompt first in ChatGPT. I will put it in the description box down below. So here, I'm just going to add in the image prompt first. Let's do this one. That looks really cool. I will put the description in Google Gemini. You can use any other things that you like. I'll just press submit here. Here's your unique cake. Let's do try VO3 here. Okay. I'm just going to download this image first. Actually, let's use Google Flow. You can use any generator that you want, by the way, and then create with Flow here. And then you're going to add in that motion prompt into the video generator, your project. Just going to select frames to video. I will put the image of that cake in there. Oh my gosh. Can I not crop? I don't want to crop. Fine, let's crop it. Crop and save. Hello. Then you're going to insert your other prompt. Okay, I have 20 credits left. Dismiss. And I'll be back once it's done generating. And the video's done generating. This is what it should look like. Oh. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.